Radiofrequency ablation is a minimally invasive procedure that disrupts certain nerve fibers that carry pain signals to the brain. Once the needle tip is placed accurately, an active electrode is inserted through a hollow needle shaft, and a small amount of stimulating electrical current is carefully passed to confirm the target nerve and ensure a safe distance from other nerves. This current may briefly recreate the painful symptoms that the patient usually experiences. Once the target nerve is satisfactorily verified and local anesthesia is given within the nerve using the preferred method, a heat lesion is created using conventional pulse or water-cooled frequency of ablation. This process may be repeated for additional nerves. Spectra Medical Devices is a leading manufacturer of radiofrequency needles. Over the last 15 years, we've supplied clinicians and medical professionals with millions of RF needles worldwide. We offer one of the largest variety of gauges, lengths, active tips, echogenic, and lubricated RF needles in the industry. Along with our extensive variety of RF needles, Spectra prides itself on the quality of its products, customer service, and short lead times. Spectra RF needles are made from the highest tensile strength 304 stainless steel. We use state-of-the-art technology in order to exceed industry standards and provide clinicians with top-quality, high-performing RF needles. Our RF needle insulation is double heat sealed in order to lessen the chance of coating retraction or peel back and reduce the transition point between RF coating and active tip. Our dimpled echogenic needles create clear, defined images. Spectra RF needles are available in over 100 configurations. Choose from straight, curved, blunt, or sharp tips. Customizable gauges, lengths, and active tip lengths. Lubricated and non-lubricated, with or without hub. Echogenic or non-echogenic. Quin-key bevel or lancet bevel. Spectra's RF needles are used by leading clinicians in order to treat their patients with chronic pain. They choose Spectra as their source for pain management RF needles based on our high-quality, safe products.
So currently there's been new innovation put forth by Spectra Medical in the domain of radiofrequency needles. The first thing that they offer is a siliconized tip that allows for smooth passage of the needle tip through the skin. We see that if we have a very blunt needle or a needle that's not so smooth, it gets hung up in the skin where there's a lot of nerves and increases procedure pain. The second step that they do is they provide a special application of that important insulation of the needle that I discussed to focus the radiofrequency energy at the tip of the needle. And the way they do this insulation is that it's not simply cut, but molded carefully onto the needle so that, again, doesn't peel back, but also allows this insulation to pass really easily through the skin and with more comfort to the patient. The final aspect that's done is that the steel alloy that Spectra takes into consideration of these needles is critical. So as patients are either smaller or larger, they can tailor the needle to your patient population.
Spectra is dedicated to developing and manufacturing products that always adhere to patient safety, provide the highest level of customer service, and quick order fulfillment times. Spectra Medical was founded in 1995. 25 years later, Spectra is now one of the largest procedural needle manufacturers in the world with market share in over 50 countries. We've been awarded several U.S. patents for special needle processing and products, and we continue to lead the industry in growth and innovation. Our mission is to provide clinicians with the best performing, safest medical devices in the world. From design to customer service, we strive for the highest standards of excellence in order to meet that objective.